How to teach quantum physics to your dog. I thought I understood the world, but I didn't. I dropped a ball. It fell straight down. That felt normal. That felt certain. Everything felt clear. So I told myself, I understand how the world works. Then I looked down at my dog. She was watching me. Calm. Curious. I said,
"Let me try to explain something."
She tilted her head. I picked up the ball again.
"This is simple,"
I said. I drop it, and it falls. She kept looking at me. That's how the world works, I said. Things move in one way. Things stay in one place. Then I paused. Or, at least, that's what I thought. I sat down next to her. Let's go smaller, I said. Much smaller. Not a ball. Not even dust. Something so small you can't see it. This is called a particle. She blinked slowly. A particle is a tiny piece of matter, I said. Everything is made of particles. You, me, everything. She looked around the room. Even the air, I said. It has particles, too. You just can't see them. They move fast. They are spread out. I tapped the table. This table also has particles. But they are packed tightly. That's why it feels solid. She placed her paw on the floor. So matter is real, I said. It's just particles together. Then I paused again. But here's the strange part. Particles don't act like normal things. I held up my hand. If I drop this ball, I know exactly where it is. But a particle is different. It doesn't stay in one place. It has many possible positions. She tilted her head again. Yes, I said softly. I know, it sounds strange. This is called superposition. It means many possibilities exist at once. Before I look at it, it stays in many possibilities. But when I look, it becomes one result. This is called observation. She stared at me, still focused. So it's not already decided, I said. It's not just hidden. It becomes decided when we measure it. I leaned back. In our world, everything feels fixed. Solid, clear. But when we look at tiny particles, the world behaves differently. The world is uncertain. It's full of possibilities. She stayed close, listening. You might wonder, I said, if everything is made of particles. Why? Doesn't everything act strange? I smiled a little. Here's the answer. One particle is free. It can behave in many ways. But when many particles come together, they affect each other. They limit each other. Think about one person. They can move freely. Now, think about a group. They move together. More predictable. Particles are the same. When many come together, they lose their freedom. Their strange behavior fades away. They fall into order. Like a team, moving as one. They become stable. They become predictable. So, when I drop a ball, I know exactly where it is. She looked at the ball, then back at me. And that's why the world feels solid, I said. Even though it is built on uncertainty. Because underneath everything you see, that strange behavior is still there. Quiet. This isn't just an idea, I said. It's real. Your phone works because of this. Computers, too. Even hospital machines use this. Machines that scan the body. Machines doctors use to see inside you. I paused. So, what should we do with this? She stayed still, waiting. You don't control outcomes directly, I said. You choose your actions. Your actions move you forward before you act. Many possibilities exist. After you act, one path becomes real. If you do nothing, nothing changes. If you act, something begins to change. If you repeat it, it becomes stronger. Step by step, your future forms. She leaned closer. So, your life is not fixed, I said. It's one version of many possibilities. Your actions help decide what becomes real. This doesn't mean you control everything. But things are not as limited as they feel. Silence. So, maybe, what feels certain is not as certain as it seems. Maybe what you see is only one version. And maybe you don't fully understand the world yet. She looked at me, calm. And I smiled. I remember when I thought I understood the world.